Today, Bloomberg reports that Tesla is reportedly finalizing plans to build an EV assembly plant in an industrial area of northeastern Mexico and may announce the factory as early as next week. If Tesla is that close to announcing the Gigafactory Mexico, the location is strange because in that case, this new Gigafactory will be only about 390 miles away from Giga Texas. Why would Tesla build another Gigafactory that close to Giga Texas? Well, Bloomberg thinks a Mexican-made electric vehicle would likely qualify for subsidies under recent US legislation signed into law, as long as it met battery content requirement. It's unclear which models Tesla will produce, though, in its Mexican factory or when it would begin production in Mexico. Final details are reputedly still being worked out, and that talk with the company have involved both the state government and Mexico's foreign relations ministry. Bloomberg also says it emailed some questions to Tesla, tried to contact Tesla via email, but has not received any response from Tesla yet. Like it hasn't gotten back into them, Tesla. So Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk visited Nuevo Leon in October and met with officials there. And the company's relationship with the state's government has already earned it an executive custom lane for parts crossing the border into Texas, as I reported yesterday. The factory would be Tesla's first south of the border and part of a push to expand global manufacturing that has included vast new plants in Austin, Texas and Berlin, as well as a sprawling factory in Shanghai. Tesla has long moved building a third factory in North America, with Elon Musk telling shareholders in August that a decision might be made before the end of the year. But who would know it would be in Mexico, and Tesla is that close to announcing a Gigafactory Mexico next week. The announcement would come just days after Mexico and Canada won a trade dispute with the US over cars shipped across regional borders, a development that gives automakers more incentive to manufacture in those nations. So qualifying for tax credit, these incentives, those make Mexico a nice place. It's unclear which models Tesla will make or produce in Mexican factory or when it would begin production there. Those details could be announced in the coming days, the people said. Tesla would be locating in an automotive corridor of Nuevo Leon that's already home to factories for General Motors, Kia Motors, a unit of South Korea's Hyundai Kia Automotive Group. Ford Motor also builds its electric Mustang Mach-E in Cuautitlan near Mexico City. So Mexico actually is a hub for automotive industry, so why not Tesla being there as well? Musk has set an ambitious goal of selling 20 million electric vehicles a year by 2030, which would make Tesla twice the size of any automaker and account for 20% of global auto output. So what do you think about the new location? Do you find it strange? Do you find it odd to be that close to Gigafactory Texas? Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below. Give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And share in social media if you found this report helpful so other people may know it. And I look forward to hearing your comments. Please also subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news and announcements about strange things happening with Tesla or odd things. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.